In this video I am going to show you how to edit your Facebook page name. So if you want to edit your Facebook page name or rename your Facebook page, so this video will show you how to do it. So what you have to do, first of all you have to open your Facebook app, or if you are using in your desktop, just log in your Facebook. And when you log in your Facebook, you will see like this. Now what you have to do, here you will see your profile pic, just click on it and go into switch to your Facebook page. So I am going to switch to my Facebook page. Now here you will see lots of options here. Now what you have to do, just click on again that profile pic, your page profile pic, and here you will see setting and privacy option. Okay, now click on this setting and privacy option. Now here you will see setting and privacy center. Now you have to again click on the setting option. So when you click on the setting option, here you will see name Android Hex, and now if I want to change it, just click on edit. So when you click on edit, here you will see, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 7 days. So just like this you can change your Facebook page name. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.